Hey, what is up, guys? Today we're going to be remodeling my website, taxrebalancer.com, utilizing DeepSite with DeepSeek. And so, pretty much a vibe coding tool that allows individuals to create websites. And let's get into this. So, what you got to do is you could copy the site, you could take a screenshot and provide it to it. I'm going to copy the URL and provide it to it and let it work. And the page that I wanted to redesign is my dashboard. As you can see, I put a lot of work in the home page, trying to get everything uniformed, organized, even have a dark mode here. And I don't like the white background too much in my dark mode for the home page, but that's a problem for another day. Let's go back to the dashboard because this is going to be the main page people will spend their time with respect to utilizing my website. And so I want to make sure it's aesthetically pleasing. And so grab that URL there, provide it to it. All right. And we set that off and it's going to work immediately. So it seems to have scraped our tag appropriately. And now we just let it do its thing. Oh, pretty fast. Tries not to copy the name. Gave me a new name, TaxZen. I like it, but the tax part is already sort of a clickbait on my end, right? So the individual is searching taxes. They'll stumble upon my page, and the hope there is that, hey, if they're looking into taxes, maybe they're a CPA, a professional that can utilize this calculator, or even an individual keyed into their own finances who would love to utilize something like this. And so let's see what we got here. We're about, call it 41 minute in, and it already has almost close to 200 line of code. So it's doing its thing. And it's looking pretty nice. Let me push this back to see the full view. Compared to my site, I don't have that menu bar there. When you log in, though, on my site, I have different dashboard screens, right? This one's the guest view. If they log in, they'll be able to see a sort of menu dashboard here to the left. And it's a basic one that isn't as laid out and organized as this one here that DeepSite is creating for me. They did recently, it responded successfully. Let's take a look at what we have. That recent activity section, a quick action section. Oh man, this is awesome. And they even have the graph for the breakdown. I allow the users to export this once they rebalance their portfolio and generate that. They get to export a little nice pie chart, but it's awesome to have it all laid out here for them in a summary sort of fashion. This would be great for CPAs and individuals who may have numerous clients and would like to help them out whenever they have these sort of questions, like how much would I owe in taxes if I sell 30 Apple stock or need to raise 60K from my portfolio. This is just a tool for them of educational use. You still need your CPA and tax professional to help you lay down those rates and filter through the results. However, this is pretty awesome. Let's take a look at the code. 400 lines of code. It took the creativity, the bottleneck of generating websites, and distilled that for you and generated something aesthetically pleasing. That's the name of the game. I'm not even logged in at the moment. I do have an account, but to have free access to this, there's definitely rate limits because I paid them a subscription. I believe it's $9 a month to get more rates, be able to generate a lot more. But hey, they gave me this awesome design on the first go as a free user. Let's put them side by side and compare them. Yeah, mine is just like plain, boring, and this one's pretty cool looking. Once again, DeepSite by DeepSeek. It's pretty great. Thanks for watching. Follow for the next edge dive.